guys. In this video, we're going to work a couple problems to help you with your UIL A+ mathematics. Okay, this is one of the very first questions for your practice test. So as soon as you see the fractions, as soon as you see the negative exponents, don't panic. Okay, we're going to break everything down and we're going to work on a couple examples. So we're going to focus the first step on that negative exponent right there. So anything raised to the power of -1 means reciprocal. Reciprocal. What does that word mean? Well, when you have a fraction, let's say 1/4 raised to the power of -1. Reciprocal means you're going to turn this fraction upside down. So the reciprocal of this is 4/1. And you know you need to simplify the fraction that, every whole number is over 1, yada, yada. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say that you have 2/5 raised to the power of -1. What is it? You get the fraction, you turn it upside down. So that is 5/2. You literally just turn it upside down. How about 3/2 raised to the power of -1? Find the reciprocal, 2/3. Last one. How about this one? Turn that upside down, you get 3/6. And every time you have a fraction, you have to simplify that. In the simplest form, 6/3, that equals 2. Okay? Another thing, when you have the division sign right there, when you have a fraction divided by another fraction. So let's write yourself a little note. Fraction divided by another fraction. You will multiply by the reciprocal. Here's that word again. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to throw a bunch of examples at you. So we have 3/1 divided by, 2/3. It is the same thing as if you multiply by the reciprocal. So the first one doesn't change. That is the same thing. So 3/1. Multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Okay? Now you multiply across. You just go from here to here, multiply, from here to here, multiply. Okay? So 3 times 3, 9. 1 times 2, 2. There's nothing I can simplify this fraction. All right. How about 1/4 divided by 1/2? We have 1/4. So it says fraction divided by fraction multiplied by the reciprocal. So a fraction multiply the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1. Okay. Now you have multiply across. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. And then you have to simplify the fraction. 2 divided by 4. Always simplify the fraction. 1/2. Okay? One more just because. So what if you have, how about 2 more, huh? 5/7 divided by 1/7. So again, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. We have 5/7. Multiply. The reciprocal of 1/7 is 7/1. Now you multiply across. You get 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 1 is 7.